So, iba gagamitin mo sa B, ha? Okay? Huwag mo masyado. And then for B, so as you can see, we have developed experts in the field in such a way that they don't really need to measure it in what do you call this visual estimate of equal parts A and B. So mixing is done until the color is, so just like what Christian mentioned, in our field, in our market, other boat makers employ other techniques aside. After mixing, they add something, they add one of this, one of that, so they believe would strengthen the boat, things like that. Later on, I'll show a video on how it is, the whole system is applied.
On a boat.
Yeah,
Right.
on a boat. I have a video on how it is applied on a boat.
So it can go as thin as you want, correct?
As thin as you want or as thick as you want. There are some boat makers who apply 3 layers of that. Okay.